Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to start nitric acid, and I hope you all know the formula of nitric acid, which is HNO3. Okay, it is also called aqua fortis. इसका मतलब होता है strong water. अगर आप इसको लैब में बनाने जाएंगे तो what is the preparation method? KNO3 H2SO4, and if the temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius, you will get potassium bisulfate and nitric acid. And in case if you take potassium nitrate and H2SO4, and if temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius, then you will get product as K2SO4 and nitric acid. Okay, and if you take sodium nitrate and H2SO4, you will get again sodium bisulfate, because you have the temperature condition as less than 200 degrees Celsius. Next we have nitric acid, sodium nitrate, and if the temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius, you will get the product as Na2SO4 and 2HNO3. Alright, and if you try to decompose this nitric acid, you will get the release of nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen gas. And आपने देखा होगा लैब प्रिपरेशन में क्या होता है, यूजुअली जब हम नाइट्रिक एसिड बनाते हैं तो वी यूज़ द apparatus मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास. द रीज़न भी, जो नाइट्रिक एसिड से जो गैस निकलता है, दैट इज़ नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड का गैस, दैट इज़ वेरी कोरोसिव. ठीक है, और उसका जो वेपर होता है, इट मे डैमेज द रबर कॉर्क. ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग नाइट्रिक एसिड प्रिपेयर करते समय हमारा सारा apparatus ग्लास का होता है. Next we have the chemical reactions of nitric acid. As you can see here, few of them I have written on the copy. Copper is reacting with nitric acid. You will get copper nitrate, water and NO2. अब जब ये गैस निकलता है, you will get the brown fumes. You will observe this brown fumes coming out. अब आप कैसे कंफर्म करेंगे कि नाइट्रिक एसिड जो होता है वो मोनोबेसिक एसिड है? देखो, जब आप उसका डिसोसिएट करते हैं, यू विल गेट ओनली 1 H+ आयन बीइंग रिलीज ना. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इट इज़ अ मोनोबेसिक एसिड. And next we have, if you take zinc oxide and nitric acid, you will get zinc nitrate and water. And if you take sodium bicarbonate and nitric acid, you will get sodium nitrate, water and carbon dioxide gas will be released. ठीक है, now keep this in your mind. When you take copper and nitric acid and if it is dilute, आपका प्रोडक्ट होगा नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड. ईयर the gas released will be nitric oxide. But in case if you take concentrated nitric acid and with the same copper, you will get copper nitrate as usual, water. Also here the product changes as NO2. ठीक है, इस केस में you will get the product as nitrogen dioxide. But whereas when you use dilute nitric acid, you get the product as nitric oxide. I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you.